In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1 E. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is a chicken-hearted fellow. Meaning, coward fellow. Sentences. Your friend cannot go for long jump because he is a chicken-hearted fellow. If he is chicken-hearted fellow, he cannot defeat his opponent. Number 2. Aladdin's lamp. Meaning, magic lamp. Sentences. We have no Aladdin's lamp to make our plan work. I could open the locked door if I had Aladdin's lamp. Number 3. A snake in the grass. Meaning, a hidden enemy. Sentences. One of his friends was a snake in the grass who attacked him when he was alone. You should be careful of bad people around you who are snakes in the grass. Number 4. A bolt from the blue. Meaning, sudden, unexpected, completely surprise. Sentences. The unannounced attack of their enemies was a bolt from the blue. It was a bolt from the blue when he said that he would not join our company. Number 5. All of a sudden, meaning quickly, unexpectedly soon. Sentences. He left the office all of a sudden when he heard the bad news. The weather changed all of a sudden and it started raining. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.